NanoQ Lite Plus is designed for routine quantification of DNA, RNA, proteins, and cell density, using dedicated wavelengths at 230, 260, 280 nanometers and OD 600. Its optimized fixed path length optical system delivers fast, reliable results in less than 1 second. Key benefits. NanoQ Lite Plus brings DNA, RNA, protein, and OD 600 measurements together in one compact instrument, delivering results in less than 1 second. Performance highlights. The dedicated fixed path length optical design ensures fast measurement, excellent repeatability, and reliable quantification for routine laboratory applications. Mode description. Quickly access all measurement modes from the main screen. The Nucleic Acids tab provides DNA and RNA quantification modes. The Protein UV tab includes protein quantification modes. The General tab offers an OD 600 measurement mode. Create custom shortcuts for frequently used modes. Instrument setup. Access and customize system settings with just a few taps. Review preset parameters and adjust measurement settings as needed. Review preset parameters and adjust OD 600 measurement settings as needed. File browser. Easily organize and retrieve saved measurement data. How to use pedestal. Accurate microvolume measurements with as little as 1-2 microliter of sample. Cuvette. Measure OD 600 samples using a standard 10mm cuvette.